Okay, this is the last grammar part. We're going to talk about ¿qué hora es? What time is it? All right, here is a clock. Here to draw a clock for yourself, I'll help you label the parts that you need to know. On the right side of the clock, I'm going to be adding minutes, and I'm going to be using the word and, which is E. On the left side of the clock, I'm going to be subtracting minutes, and I'm going to use the word menos, which literally means minus, but we can also translate it as till. At the 15, instead of saying 15 for my minutes, I'm going to say and a quarter. A quarter is y cuarto. When I get to 30, instead of saying the number 30, I'm going to say a half, y media. When I get to 45, I'm not going to say 45, I'm going to say a quarter till. Notice how I'm going to read it backwards. I'm going to start with a quarter in English, and the till comes second in English. In Spanish, it's till a quarter, or minus a quarter, and it sounds like this, menos cuarto. Same quarter. This is and a quarter. This is minus a quarter. And at the top of the clock, when you have 0, 0, like 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, no minutes, you could say en punto, on point, on the dot, en punto. So at the 15, you would say cuarto. You could also say 15, but I want to introduce cuarto. At the half, you say media. At 45, you'd say menos cuarto. And at the top of the hour, you'd say en punto. Right side of the clock, from the 12 to the 60, you're going to be adding minutes, so you'll be using the and. After the 6 at 30, you're going to be subtracting minutes, and you're going to be using menos. Okay? So let's look here. Y cinco, so whatever hour, and 5 minutes, right? And 10, and a quarter, and 20, and 25, and a half. Now let's see if we can figure out what this means. Menos 25. Now, to translate in English, we're going to read it backwards. 25 till. Menos 20. 20 till. Menos cuarto. A quarter till. Menos 10. 10 till. Menos 5 till. All right, so when I'm here at 55, isn't it 5 minutes till the next hour? Well, yeah, it's 5 minutes to get up to the top. When I'm at the 50, is it not 10 minutes till the next hour? Yes, 5, 10. This is a quarter till, or 15 minutes till the next hour. This is 20 till, 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes till the top of the hour. This is 25 minutes till, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes till the next hour. We're going to practice, I promise. All right, if somebody were to ask, ¿qué hora es? That means, what time is it? If it is 1 o'clock, you're going to use this stem. Es la una. And then you can add your minutes. So 1 o'clock on the dot, es la una, you can add en punto. If it's 1:05, you would say es la una. So you say it is 1. And the minutes, y cinco. At 2 o'clock, you're going to change the stem from es la to son las. And you'll use son las from 2 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Son las 2, son las 3, son las 4, son las 5, all the way to 12. But if it happens to be 1 o'clock, you start your sentence like this. Es la una. So when I get to 2, I'm going to use son. Son las dos and add my minutes, y cinco. Here's 3:29. Son las tres y and 29:29. Y means and. All right, so again, instead of saying 3:15, I'm going to trade that out and say 3 1/4. Okay, now if you look up at the top, it says y cuarto. That looks a lot like the number 4, cuatro. To know the difference, I can actually write out the word quarter on top of here in English, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. If the R and the T line up, then I know the word is quarter. If it doesn't, then that's the number 4. Okay? Oopsie. You write quarter on top, the R and the T line up, that means quarter. Now when you get down to the 30, instead of saying tres y treinta, you would say and a half. Tres y media. Median, right? Which means the middle in math. All right, let's see if we can tell what time it is. ¿Qué hora es? If it starts with a 3, am I going to say es la or son las? I'm going to start with son las. The only one that starts with this phrase, es la, is 1 o'clock. Es la una. All the others will start with son las. Son las, give me the number 3. Tres, now I'm going to use the word and instead of saying 15, I'm going to say a quarter. Cuarto. Son las tres. Now I'm going to add the minutes by saying y. Cuarto. Now I know that means a quarter because I can write quarter on top. Q-U-A-R-T and the R and the T line up. 6:20. Is it es la or son las? Son las. Son las, say 6. Seis. What's the next word? Y. And now I need the word for 20. 20. Son las 6:20. 10:30. Es la or son las? Son las again. And I need the word for 10. 10. Now I need y, which is the letter Y, it means and instead of saying 30, I'm going to say median, middle, media. 1:30, that's a 1. That makes it easy. I'm going to go back up to the 1 stem. Es la una. Now I use my letter Y, which means and I add my minutes. Instead of saying 30, I'm going to say half, media, middle. Es la 1:30. 12:15. Instead of saying 15, I'm going to say a quarter. Is it es la or son las? Son las 12, 12 y cuarto. And 5:11, son las 5:11. Okay, so remember, right side of the clock, you say y, and you add the minutes. Left side of the clock, when you pass the 30, you're going to say menos, minus, or till. Right, so say the hour and the minute, right side 5:15, son las 5:15. It is 5 1/4. Now I'm on the left side of the clock. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this now. On the left side of the clock, we're not going to say 45. We're going to say it is 15 minutes till 6. So the numbers I am using are 15 and 6. I am not using 5 and I'm not using 45. I want to say it is 15 minutes till 6. So what I'm going to say in Spanish is I'm going to say the hour first. It is 6, son las 6, till, or minus, which is menos, a quarter, cuarto. Okay, this literally means it is a quarter till 6. I'm going to practice with you on these. So if I have 7:55, how many minutes do I have to get to the top of the hour? I got 5 minutes, right? So it's 5 minutes till 8. So I'm going to be using the number 8 and the number 5. But when I tell the time, I need to start with the hour first. So is it es la or son las if the hour is 8? Say son las. Okay, now put the hour. Ocho. Now till is that word menos. And how many minutes till the top of the hour? 5. Cinco. Son las 8 menos 5. It is 5 minutes till 8. Okay. Or it is 8 minus 5. All right. Let's review. Here we have 1 o'clock es la una. 1 1/4 es la 1:15. 2:30, change the stem. Son las 2:30. I'm past the 30, so I'm going to say how many minutes till the next hour. Son las 3 menos cuarto. Read it backwards. It is 1/4 till 3. Is it 1/4 till 3? 2:45? Yes, it is. All right, now these are on the other side of the clock. I have 3:45, which means it is 1/4 till 4. So the numbers I'm using are the number 4, and I'm using the word for 1/4. I have to start with the hour first. Son las 4 menos cuarto. It is 1/4 till 4. Okay, 6:40. How many minutes to get to 7? It is 20 minutes till 7. I'm using the words 20 and 7. It is 20 minutes till 7. So, son las 7. It is 7 minus 20, or 20 minutes till 7. 10:30. 30. I know that's media, and I'm still at the end of the right side of the clock. So I'm going to use y. Son las 10:30. 12:50, 10 minutes till 1. So I'm using 10 for my minutes and 1 for my hour. Es la 1 menos 10. 10 minutes till 1. 11:45, it's 15 minutes or 1/4 till 12. I'm using the word 1/4 and I'm using the hour 12. Son las 12 menos cuarto. It's 1/4 till 12. 5:55, it's 5 minutes till 6. I'm using the word 5 and I'm using the word 6. It's 5 minutes till 6. Son las 6 menos 5. I know that's confusing. With practice, you'll get the hang of it. Okay, it's 5 minutes till 6. It is 6 minus 5.